Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel Shubham Raj Singh and Co. So today we are going to learn how you can install and activate plugin on your WordPress website. So for this you need a WordPress website, of course, and you have to log in with the admin user ID or the user which is actually the admin of the website. So I am already logged in and this is my WordPress dashboard. So all I have to go here, all I have to do is okay. So we do have one update. So there is one more thing in this video. So we will be also showing how you can update existing plugin or theme. So let's go. You can click over here, updates, or you can also click over here. Okay. So I'm going and clicking over here, and just I'm showing you how you can update install plugin as well as install theme. So we can see that there is one update available for the all-in-one WP migration. There is no update available for themes and for translation. So all you have to do is check this mark, select all, and just click on update plugins. It will update the plugin within few seconds, and you can see the update process is starting. This process may take some time. Enabling maintenance mode, updating plugin all in, and done. Like all-in-one WP migration update is successful. Disabling maintenance mode, all update have been completed. Okay, so this is how you can update your plugin. Same way you can update your theme as well as translation. So right now we will go and see how you can install plugin on your WordPress website. So all you have to do is go to plugin tab and click on plugin tab. So you can see here, this is all the installed plugin on your website. Okay, install plugin on your website doesn't mean that it is active. Okay, so here is the active one which is actually running on your, what we can say it, on your website. This is inactive, an inactive plugin. Okay, and must use auto updates disabled. It's the same thing, so don't worry about this thing. All you have to keep in mind, that is you have to install plugin and then you have to activate it or deactivate it. Okay, so this all plugin, you can see this plugin is deactivated, this plugin is activated, and you can deactivate and you can activate this plugin. So yeah, that's it. So right now we will go and install one plugin. Okay, so we will go click on add new button over here. Okay, so right now you can search for your plugin. For example, I will search for a very popular plugin, word fence, and wait for a few seconds. It will load. So you can see that WordPress security, firewall, and malware scan. So I will install this plugin. Okay, so I will just click on install now, and it will install it on my website, but it will not activate automatically. You have to activate by clicking it here or by going to the install plugin section or clicking on plugin and then activate as I showed you before. So I will go and activate, click on activate, and it will activate my WordPress security, firewall, and malware scan plugin here. So it may take some time depending upon the plugin size. So you can see it's all like the setup for the WordPress thing. So I will be not doing this thing. Okay, 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 whatever. I don't want to do it right now. Okay, so right now, as you have already seen that how you can install a plugin. Okay, by going to directly to their what we can say, directly to their what we can say, WordPress store, for the plugin store, and searching over there with the keyword. Okay, there is one more thing that you can use to install plugin on your website is by uploading your plugin. Okay, you can see upload plugin option. So I will show you how you can do it. So let's search for some plugin. I don't know. Okay, So you search for Smush plugin WordPress. So you will get a .zip file for the plugin. Okay, so sometimes you may have to, like, sometimes the what we can say, the plugin is not available on the this WordPress.org website, or not in the WordPress store. So what you have to do, like, take an example for maybe WP Rocket. So you have to download it manually from their website and upload it on your website. Okay, so we will just download it, and you can see that WP Smush 8.3.7 zip file. We do have like zip file. So all you have to do is click on upload plugin, choose file which you want to install over here. Okay, in our case, which is WP Smush 8.3.7.2. okay, so you have to upload it as it is in the zip archive only. Smush this is second Smush. Okay, where it is downloaded, just a second, it is down to somewhere else. Cancel it, show folder. Okay, WP Smush. Okay, not a problem. So we'll go again to download, and WP Smush. Okay, here it is, WP Smush 8 3.722. okay, so we'll click on open, and we'll click on install now, and it will upload the plugin, the zip file of the plugin, and it will install on your website. Okay, so you can say unpackaging the package, installing the plugin installed successfully. Some of your translation need updating. Sit tight for a few more seconds, and while we update them as well. Updating translation from English Great Britain, translation update is successful. Okay, so right now you can activate plugin from here, or you can read into plugin installer and install it from there. So we'll go and activate the plugin, and you can see here that the Smush is installed and activated. Same with the WordPress security as well. So this is how you install plugins on your WordPress website by two methods. That is, one from directly from WordPress web store, or second option is like downloading from the native website, plugins native website, and uploading it to your website, and then installing and activating. Also, you learn how to update your plugin as well as theme as well as translation. So I hope that you like my video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and take care. Bye bye.